Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Planning a wedding involves countless decisions, but one of the most meaningful aspects is choosing the perfect course to capture the essence of your love. A well-curated collection of wedding codes can inspire and elevate every element of your special day, from vows and speeches to invitation and decor. Timeless line from classic literature such as Jane Austen's heartfelt declaration of a touch of elegance and sophistication. Meanwhile, modern poets and songwriters provide contemporary flair, resonating deeply with today's couples, including chorus chords from beloved comedians can lighten the mood, bringing joy and laughter to the celebration. Inspirational sayings from Inuit figures remind couples and guests of the profound significance of love and commitment. As you gather these beautiful works, think about what resonates most with your relationship and the message you wish to convey. Personalized course reflecting shared experience and future dreams, and an intimate touch making the occasion uniquely yours. Whether you seek romance, wisdom, or whimsy, the right course transform your wedding into an unforgettable expression of your love story. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.